Hi, Michael Gaffney, and I'm asked the question all the time, how do you become a flower designer? How do you learn to be a flower designer? You could get hired by a flower shop off the street. It's rare. Why is it rare? Because you don't know anything. We don't want to spend the time teaching you what floral tape is, green and foaming in it's called, how to do a round design as opposed to a linear design. So you need a little education will helpful, but there's retail, there's event companies, or there's freelancing. What you need to do is study. It's like plumbing. It's like architecture. People come into a flower shop and tell me, I love flowers. Do you mind if I work for you? Do you walk into an architecture firm and say, I love buildings. Do you mind if I build one? Yes, it will fall over. People will die. So you need to learn the craft. It's like plumbing, electricians, anything else. Study books, watch videos, get your foot in a flower shop. The more you offer them that you know, the more likely you'll be hired. Event companies, I started driving a truck. I used to work on Wall Street. I took a job driving a truck for a flower shop, and 20-some years later, I have 3 books, 15 schools around the country. And again, find a good flower course that will teach you the mechanics and the science of flower design. It's simple. Even I can do it with author of 3 books on design. Get a good book, get some videos, learn the craft. It's not hard, but you need to be able to pull it off. Walk in, see some flowers, and boom, 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 create beauty. And I'm sure if you have comments on how you learned how to flower design, I want to hear it below, and you can subscribe. I've got lots more videos coming about the inside world of the floral designer. That'll be helpful. And I'm Michael Gaffney Flowers at Instagram, and for the whole works, go to www.flowerschool101.com. Come to one of my courses. We'll get you prepped and ready. Keep blooming. I'm Michael Gaffney.